Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best birthday gifts for teenage girls is probably one of the most exciting and sometimes challenging shopping experiences, as you want to find something that truly resonates with her unique personality and current interests, moving beyond the generic and into the realm of thoughtful, personalized treasures that will make her feel seen and celebrated on her special day. Number 5. Original Stationery Ice Cream Slime Kit. Unleash your creativity with this delightful ice cream slime kit. It's designed to spark imagination, allowing kids to craft unique slimes with fun scents and colorful mix-ins. This comprehensive kit includes everything needed to create custom slime textures. You'll find clear glue, activators, scents, mix-ins, and all the tools for endless fun. Go beyond pre-made slime and dive into customization. This kit encourages creativity, decision-making, and hands-on learning as you design your own slime creations. This isn't just a slime toy, it's an interactive arts and crafts experience. Enjoy stretchy, squishy textures and vibrant colors for truly sensory-rich play. Looking for a unique gift? This DIY craft set is ideal for birthdays and special occasions. It even comes with a storage container to keep everything organized for future fun. What we like? This DIY ice cream slime kit offers creative, hands-on fun with a delightful cherry scent and 31 pieces for endless customization. If you're looking for an engaging activity that sparks imagination and sensory exploration, this is a fantastic choice for young crafters. What people say. The product is very durable and has a great design. It is easy to use and has many useful features. The quality is excellent and it is worth the money. Number 4. JTEMAN Bluetooth Speaker Phone Stand. Meet your new favorite desk companion. It's a sturdy phone stand that frees your hands, and a powerful Bluetooth speaker that fills your space with HD stereo sound. Enjoy music, movies, and calls like never before. Experience surprisingly loud and crisp audio with enhanced bass. Whether you're enjoying music, watching videos, or following a recipe, the high-quality sound driver ensures an immersive experience without distortion, even at high volumes. Easily find your perfect viewing angle. Its pocket-sized, foldable design saves desk space and is perfect for travel or office use. Stability is key, so remember to keep the stand arm and panel at an angle under 90 degrees. This stand securely holds most smartphones and 7 to 10-inch tablets. Featuring a weighted base and non-slip pads, it keeps your device in place without scratches. For thicker cases, you might need to remove them for a perfect fit. Simple to use and incredibly versatile, this makes an ideal gift for anyone. It's a perfect choice for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. Give a gift of music and convenience with this unique tech gadget. Please note that this device is designed to enhance your audio and viewing experience. It does not have the capability to charge your cell phone. What we like? This device combines a sturdy phone stand with a powerful Bluetooth speaker, delivering immersive HD stereo sound. If you enjoy watching videos, taking calls, or listening to music hands-free with enhanced audio, this is the perfect practical gadget for your desk or on the go. What people say. This is a great gift for teens. It is very fashionable and can be used as a decoration. The product is very cute and the quality is good. It is very suitable for girls. It is a good gift for birthdays and holidays, and the packaging is very nice. Number 3. WEKAPO Inflatable Couch Air Lounger Chair. Say goodbye to pumps. Simply whisk this lounger through the air to inflate it. Close the sleeve quickly to trap the air and enjoy instant comfort. Experience superior comfort with its unique pillow-shaped headrest. It's designed to provide exceptional support for your upper back and neck. Thanks to our advanced anti-deflation technology, it stays inflated for at least 5 to 6 hours. Enjoy extended relaxation without constant reinflation. Weighing only 2 pounds and coming with its own carry pouch, it's incredibly portable. Take it with you on all your adventures with ease. Crafted from durable 210T ripstop polyester, it's perfect for any outdoor activity. Enjoy picnics, camping, or relaxing in your garden with this high-quality lounger. Designed for ultimate comfort, this inflatable lounger offers an extra plush experience. It's your go-to for maximum relaxation. What we like? This inflatable air lounger offers effortless setup with no pump required and features a unique pillow headrest for superior comfort. If you love outdoor adventures like camping, beach trips, or simply relaxing in the garden, this portable and lightweight lounger is your ideal companion for ultimate relaxation. What people say. The product is a great gift for teenage girls, offering a fun and engaging experience. It's well designed and easy to use, making it a perfect choice for a birthday present. The features are impressive and provide hours of entertainment, ensuring a memorable gift. Number 2. ZealSea 7-Day Facial Sheet Mask Set. Unveil radiant skin with our 7-Day Facial Sheet Mask Set. Designed for deep hydration, it brings out your natural glow. Elevate your daily routine with a moment of self-care. These masks are perfect for a refreshing and rejuvenating experience. Gentle and safe for everyone, our formula suits all skin types. Enjoy a pampering session without any worries. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set is perfect for birthdays, parties, or just because. Share the gift of glowing skin. Create lasting memories with loved ones. It's a wonderful way for teens, kids, and the whole family to bond and enjoy together. Experience deep hydration that leaves your complexion visibly smoother and brighter. Achieve that coveted healthy glow effortlessly. What we like. This variety sheet mask set provides deep hydration and a radiant glow, perfect for a daily self-care ritual. If you're looking for a way to pamper yourself or share a relaxing moment with teens and family, this safe and effective skincare set is a wonderful gift for achieving healthy, luminous skin. What people say. The product is very well made and durable. It has a unique and attractive design that stands out. The functionality is excellent, exceeding expectations. Number 1. Gallstep 5-in-1 Multifunctional Bluetooth Speaker Lamp. Introducing the Gallstep 5-in-1, a device that seamlessly blends entertainment and utility. It's a Bluetooth speaker, a touch-sensitive lamp, an alarm clock, an MP3 player, and supports hands-free calls. Create the perfect ambience with its soft, warm light, adjustable to 3 brightness levels. It's ideal for reading, relaxing, or as a gentle night light for children. You can even sync the lights to the rhythm of your music for a dynamic visual experience. Never oversleep again with its clear, large-digit alarm clock. It features a snooze function for those extra few minutes of sleep, easily activated with a single tap. With a powerful 4,000 mAh battery, it offers up to 10 hours of music playback at maximum volume and can last weeks as a night light on a single charge. Enjoy immersive 360-degree sound wherever you go. Its creative and modern design makes it a versatile gift choice for any occasion. Whether for yoga, parties, camping, or holidays, it's a thoughtful present that brings joy and convenience. What we like. This bedside lamp is a 5-in-1 multifunctional device, featuring a dimmable multicolor changing lamp, Bluetooth speaker, alarm clock, and MP3 player. If you desire a versatile gadget that combines ambient lighting, music, and essential clock functions for your bedroom or any space, this creative and modern design is an excellent choice. What people say. The product is very nice and works well. The design is beautiful and the quality is good. It is a great gift for birthdays and other occasions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.